Oh, I don't even have the what do you call it? The tag. I'll probably have our name though. Do I even clean off the? Do we go over here? Hey guys, we're live on Instagram. We are here to pick up some photos at CVS. That's my daughter. So I got Ireland with me, but we did some photos at this Kodak booth thing right here, right? And I guess I need to get somebody to help, but I don't remember, like we didn't, maybe I stuck that in the car though, that thing. Did I? Let me go see if it's in that car. Do you want to wait? All right, and then if somebody walks over, let them know I'm getting the little tag. So we're gonna need the, I guess, okay, I guess I'm really confusing everyone, sorry about that. So my daughter had, she went to a science camp, I think. Oh no, they went to Catalina. I gotta keep track. And they went to Catalina and they had disposable cameras. They couldn't bring their phones, it was a school trip. So she has a disposable camera. Let's see if I've got the little thing in here. So we took her her disposable camera here to CVS, and we are having the film developed, but I don't have the little tag, right, that tells them what the little tag that, I've got such a mess in here, so maybe it's in the glove compartment. The little tag that tells them like what, oh, here it is. I'm like, I can't even talk today. Okay, here it is. This thing, the customer receipt with the item number so that we can get our photos. So there, I guess we got color photos like on paper, which is weird because we're so used to digital, right? Okay. All right. Got it. Nobody available? There's nobody in the store. It's a ghost town. Got a nice makeup section over there though. A lot of makeup. My question is, who buys their makeup at CVS? There's like a lot of skin. There's a huge makeup section here. I guess people just come in when they need stuff, right? Wow, okay. Let's see here. So now we're waiting for somebody to show up at the counter so we can buy our photos. I'm not sure if, hey Heather, I'm not sure if we pay for them though. They're gonna put the images on a CD, huh? Blender sponges to blend your makeup.
No.
Yes, this. Really? That's my daughter right there, being a comedian today. Okay, so we're here in California, in Sacramento. You want to hold that? I'm going to try to get somebody's attention. I guess maybe we got to get in line right here. Hi, excuse me. We have to pick up our photos, and yes, we have a little tag. I guess they're probably under Daniel. Is the last name?
Daniel.
Daniel. I don't remember. Do we pay for them ahead of time, or do we pay for them now?
No.
Got it. Okay. I didn't think I did, but. No, it's not on you, it's on me. You know, it was like a month ago. And I got a phone call a few days ago again. They called like a bunch of times. It was this location, right? It would be at the same location that you...
Nobody even on, so I don't have to hold it.
Because we're going to post it to Facebook later on. So. They can't find it. I did her blonde. Blonde looks pretty nice. was purple and then it washed out. Fades up pretty nice. Would they have like shipped them back or something if we didn't pick them up after a month? Or shipped them to wherever? Or?
I'm not sure.
It was here, right? Pretty sure we did this one. Oh, because isn't the address on there? Is that the address? That's the right address?
We are also, I believe. Honestly, I don't know the address. I believe so.
You know what? I don't. I think you're right. I don't remember. You don't remember, but I think that's gonna work.
I'm pretty sure this is the address.
Yeah, I mean this is Folsom.
Oh, no, right, yeah. Where?
Shelby ourselves. So it's a lot.
I can call my manager over though and see if he knows.
Maybe there's another spot where they're at. Maybe like there's another spot.
Yeah, maybe.
Well, yeah, they called me again.
Here you go. I'll just give you this back.
Thank you.
It should be over shortly.
Oh, all right. So she.
I don't work at CVS if you don't know how to work.
So she didn't. She doesn't know the address of the store that she works at. But this, and I don't either. I mean, but I should be not held accountable for that. But this is the store. That is the store. This is where we're at right now. Pretty sure we're at, yeah. There's my receipt. And this was like 30 days ago.
Thing.
No, it doesn't have a date on it.
Customer service needed in aisle 5. Customer service needed in aisle
How does
5.
aisle 5 get customer service?
I think are we technically aisle 5?
Oh, yeah.
Because that's 5.
It says 5 in
Oh, that's us. All right, technically we're 5. Oh no, actually there is a guy needing help in aisle 5. There's something on me, or is it my phone? How's it going? We're trying to find these, and she wasn't able to locate them.
How long ago did you send them out?
Like 30 days ago.
Still haven't gone back.
Well, and I got a call saying that they were available more than once.
Really?
Yeah. And then I just got the call, I guess, Friday as well. And we're pretty sure this is the location, right? That's where we did it. It's 916-333-9352. Yeah. I guess it's under her name. But the last name is still the same.
Yeah, Ireland, that's why.
Oh,
Here since 9/29.
yeah, it's been a while. But even though we had like the number on the tag, she still wasn't able to find it, I guess.
Yeah, you have to.
It goes by name.
It goes by whoever holds the CVS card.
Oh, right on. No problem.
Yeah,
That would be me.
so-
Well, that would be me, not her.
Daniel Ireland.
Well, that's our last name.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why.
Right. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so even though her name's on it, it's whatever phone number she put. If it was attached to your CVS card,
Oh.
it comes up automatically to you.
So it's phone number. It wouldn't be attached to the number of like the tag I gave you.
But this is if we never get them, we can call
Oh,
the company and say, hey, can you look up this tag number to see?
Right on. Okay, cool.
But that's it.
All right, right on. I'll pay for it.
Cool.
You want to take this?
Thank you, sir. I'll give you a little 10% off for making your way.
Oh, it's very nice of you. Thank you.
Do you have a CVS card? Or
Yeah, I can put it.
916?
Yeah, 333.
Yep.
9352. She was great, by the way, trying to help us. Perfect. She did her best.
Jason or Daniel?
Jason. Yeah.
Okay.
The last name is Daniel. It's
Gotcha.
it happens a lot. It's the same person.
Oh, is this the checkout or is it down
I can help you in a minute, yeah, if you don't mind waiting.
Oh, no, you can take as long as you want. I'm looking here and I see it's down there.
All right, but 1677. Yeah. No, it's just the one, like the actual film. It's different than every other thing we do.
Well, it's super rare to do this,
We
right?
send them all to Georgia.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't even know how to do it. It's like paper photos, right?
Yeah. Times are changing. See how much longer they're around.
Thank you so much.
A lot of
All right,
photos.
okay. All right. So we got our photos. Bam. Okay, so we got our photos. We got a packet of real photos. It's like a thick packet. Let's see here. All right, guys. If you're joining us late, we just went and bought some actual paper photos that we had. We had a, what do you call those? Like a disposable phone, and we went to CVS, and we put them in the disposable phone. What do you call it? Yeah, there's a CD. So we put them in the little Kodak thing where you can take your disposable. Sorry, there's a mess here. Hold on, don't throw it over there. You can take your disposable phone, and you can take the photos. Disposable phone. I've got so much going on. You can take the disposable camera, and you can have your photos.
I should have took Marissa's camera. She has my other photos. I took more.
There seems to be a lot of photos in there. You can have your photos developed on paper. So let's see, what do they look like? Are they awesome?
I'll take that. I'll take that one.
Okay. It's weird having photos on paper. There are the girls. There's a Catalina trip, right?
Serious, who took that
There
picture? I
is
think that's
somebody's
me.
nose or something.
It's me and Taylor.
What is this? What is she doing over here?
I don't know.
She's over here doing something. What is she doing over there? Picking her nose or something. That's a good one of you guys. You guys are on the Catalina boat. I was on that boat before.
That's me and Maggie.
You girls look happy. You guys look happy.
I
Is this
took that one over
is this
there.
before you broke out of the room or after?
She's upside down.
Um,
And then that's me and Abby jumped into her photo and we got all mad.
these parking spots are
I
so
must have
small.
took that one on there.
She jumped into the photo. Okay, there's the girls there.
I took an action shot.
There you go. All right, photos of photos. Uh-oh.
Oh, you can't
Photo
really
bomb.
see that one. It's kind of dark.
Yeah, this is the best photo ever. Look at that. Look, and
There's
there
like 4
she
of them,
is.
though.
Like there's a girl on the edge of that photo.
There's like 4 of them of that.
Uh-huh.
That's Maggie, Marissa with their water bottles they named.
Okay, the girls had
The
water
green
bottles.
one-
This was on Catalina Island
Yeah,
in
that
Southern
one's-
California,
that one's
right?
glowing in the dark, and that one's James. And I think that
They're
one's
glowing?
Mary.
Oh,
They're
the
glowing. One of them's glow in the dark.
okay.
Oh, I took an action shot of somebody taking an action.
Action shot of someone taking a shot. This is what the girls like to do. Pictures of other girls taking pictures.
Shot. I photobombed somebody.
That's pretty funny. So we got our my daughter went on a trip to Catalina. Oh my gosh, these are the best fun. So my daughter went to Catalina and she on a trip with her school, and they got a disposable camera. So we finally got the pictures back from CVS. These are all on paper, which is weird, right? Pictures on paper. Okay, that's a book you can't read. It's a
Oh, it
flash.
was that was the you can kind of see the what's it called, the tiger sharks. But
There's a tiger
the
shark
tiger
in there.
shark's
Okay,
under
kind of.
You can see right there. That's a tiger shark. But and then that's the tiger sharks are all the like dark spots. I got a good picture of one right there.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
But they're and that too. But they're all like.
Okay, some
and
more
I
ocean.
took that too.
This is Catalina Island. If you've ever been there, you have to take like this ferry that goes over. It's like a $35 ticket.
Action
And it
shot.
gets a little crazy. Like if you're seasick, you gotta take your Dramamine. Okay, more fuzzy photos of girls moving around. These are 8th graders. All right, a lot more tree than people there. Okay. All right, another one.
Oh, that's it.
And then, oh wow.
Somehow these got.
Because I think what happens is you don't roll the camera back enough, right? Don't you like roll the camera, or you just snap it and that's it? These are all
back.
weird and green. Usually, you roll it like you with it,
Marissa has my other ones, but you know.
and that's it. So there's another camera, or
Yeah, but I don't know if Marissa got hers developed.
so you can put those in your mom's laptop or whatever, and then you can pull those and actually put those on Instagram if you want. So you just got to get them to your phone. Is that all? Did you get duplicates? Oh,
So
okay.
there's 2 of each.
All
I
right.
just gave you one.
All right, well, there's our vlog today, guys. We picked up the photos, so that was dope. And then those are pretty funny, actually. Let's go back. Let's go back to the before we sign off. What's the best one? I think.
The one I photobombed all those people?
No, that one was good. That one,
I think I have.
the photobomb was good. I'll show you the best 2 before we sign off. They're pretty good. It's my daughter Ireland, by the way, if you guys don't know who she is. Okay, this one's good of her. And then what's the other one with your friend like getting like totally like the flashes exploding on her? That one right there. There it is. There it is. I don't know who this girl is, but she just made our
Her name's Maggie.
Maggie made our Instagram live awesome. Look at that. All right, guys. So we're gonna go. We have to go shopping. We're gonna get. What are we gonna get? Some dance shoes, right? It's for dance because they have a light parade, and they're getting ready for that. And then we have to go to Fry's, the big computer store, to buy some like a Chromebook charger. She broke her Chromebook charger, which it happens. So we're gonna get another one of those, and then probably go to Chili's and get something to eat because we like the wings at Chili's. At least I do. And then that's about it. And then we're just gonna relax the rest of the day, and that's what's going on for our Sunday. So I hope you guys have a good Sunday. Tomorrow should be busy. A lot going on tomorrow. Busy from dawn to dusk. Getting ready to close out for Thanksgiving. I'm going to be working a lot next week, which I didn't expect, but it's okay. Work is good. We love to work. Work means we have a good life. We enjoy working, so we're happy about that. And I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Take care, guys. Want to say bye to people?
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, people. Bye.